Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. Running multiple Roblox accounts at once can be useful for various reasons, such as managing multiple characters or trading between accounts. Here are some methods to achieve that. First, you can use a different browser. Open a different browser, like let's say for example you use that browser, double click the at the bottom right here to see like a double page or whatever it might be, and then click the plus button at the below left, and then you can use like a Chrome, Firefox or Edge to log into different Roblox accounts simultaneously. Each browser can maintain its own session, and then you can use the incognito or private browsing mode right here by double click the page at the bottom right here, and you're gonna be able right here to see private. You can log in with one Roblox account in the public browser. In the private browser you can use another account. In opening incognito or private browsing in window in your browser, that this creates a separate session that doesn't interfere with your main session, right? And the second method, you can use the Roblox multiple games, which you can download and install the Roblox multiple games instances, or similar software that designed to run multiple instances of Roblox, and ensure you download these tools from reputable sources to avoid malware. And then you can run the multiple instances, like open the tool and follow the instructions and to run multiple instances of Roblox, and then log into different accounts in each instance. So you have the third method, or the last method, the viral or virtual machines. Set up a virtual machine. Use virtualization software such as VirtualBox or VMware to create multiple virtual machines in your PC, and then each virtual machine runs a separate instances of your operating system, right? And you can install Roblox on VMS, install Roblox on each virtual machine, log into different accounts on each virtual machine. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.